Nagawonder ba ka unsay itsura sa sulod sa Hotel Sogo Davao ug sa services nga ilang gina-offer? Let's go and explore! Welcome to Hotel Sogo Davao. So good, so clean, so safe. First part of our tour is the receiving or waiting area while checking in.
Now, let's check the theme rooms here in...
Hotel Sogo.
There are 5 different theme rooms and let's go and check this out. Room tour! For our first room tour, guys, is room 109, which is the butterfly theme garage executive room. So yeah, we have this cabinet and some extra space for your luggages, and this is the main room. Welcome. Whoa! Oh, ganda, diba? So we have some TV and vanity mirror and this special chair, you know that? And then this one, guys. Meron silang mirror sa taas. Look at that. Whoa! You know that. And we have this chairs and tables for you guys. And then let's go to the CR bathroom. So we have the lavatory, towels, bowl, and then this special bathtub for 2. Oh, amazing bathtub. And also we have also the shower, hot and cold shower. So let's go to our next room. And to our second room, which is another executive garage. They call it the James Bond. And let's go and explore the room. So this is the door, and come here, and there's also space here for your luggages, big luggages, and this is the main door to the room. Welcome to the James Bond room. Yeah, so we have TV, vanity mirror, safety lock, and then the bed, and then bedside tables, and then another table for your extra things here. And let's go to the bathroom. So we have here the lavatory, the bowl, and this big bathtub for 2, and then shower and towels. So all the executive garage room, guys, is they have this personal care kit, and it contains toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, comb, and there's extra soap, and this is for the blanket for your bed. So let's go now to the third room. So into our next room is room 122, which is the casino themed room. Let's go, come in, and there's still some cabinets, and this is the main room, guys. What? So we have some this vanity mirror, mirrors, and mirrors everywhere is mirrors, and mirrors on the top, and there's some pachinko or roulette there. This is the bed for 2. Let's go sa bathroom. Yan. So we have here the lavatory, and the bathtub. That's it. Let's go to our next room. And our second to the last room is 123, which is the pretty kitty room. Come in, same room, and this is the main room. Whoa, pretty kitty nga. So this is the table. Same thing as the vanity mirror at the other rooms, the bed, the big kitty, side tables, and let's go to the bathroom. And same thing, we have lavatory and a bathtub for 2. Let's go to our last room. So here in the last room, guys, we have this 118, which is the Oceanarium. Come in. So this is the main room. Whoa. under the sea. This is it, guys. It's very under the sea. So this is TV, the vanity room and the TV. And let's see our comfort room. So dito yung CR, guys. Ayan. First is the lavatory, bowl, shower, and again the bathtub. Super spacious yung bathroom nila dito, guys. That's it, guys.
After the theme room, let's go and explore room 22, which is the deluxe room.
So what's this? Wow, this is more spacious. Then shower. Hello. And this and that vanity mirror. Hi. And let's go to the next room. So we have here the room 210 for the premium room. Let's go. Oh, let's go inside. So first here is we have the TV, the table, and some space to put some gamut. And then inside is this bed with that wall and cushions. So ito siya, guys. One side table and a painting. And then they also have some chairs and vanity mirror. And then here's the bathroom, lavatory, bowl, shower. That's so. Let's go. So we're heading now to our room. As we have here Sogo card, room 239. Let's go.
I found something here, guys, dito sa room, and this one is the coolest thing that they have in Sogo Premium room. So this is the button keys na magagamit nyo right beside the bed. So ito yung, just press this button to open the dresser. Ayan, iilaw siya. Ayan, so turn it off. Ayan. And then this one is for the mood. Ito, turn up. And it will turn red dito sa headboard ng bed. So just press it again to turn off. And then this is for the ceiling. Ayan, turn off and turn on. This one is for especially for the toilet. Ayan. Ayan siya. And this one is for the foyer. Ayan siya. So entrance. Press it on, press it off. On and off. And the last one is the aircon. Just a single press to turn it off and turn it on. Okay, diba? And then ito yung charging ports nila, guys. This is good for USB A1 5 volts and meron din telephone dito. And if you want to check the menu, andito siya sa bed. Their food, merong tofu sisig, garlic mushroom, green chili, everything, and the beers. And ayan, within 10 minutes it's free. Oh, okay. So itatry natin tong food later, lahat ng food dito later with my co-influencers. Let's go! So this is their official menu book. So check natin, guys. May appetizer, soup, vegetables, Filipino breakfast, savor meals na magtitipid, rice, and then we also have a la carte. Ayan, ang dami. And then they also have noodles and pasta, bento meals, and rice meals. Dito pa. And the last one is the sandwiches, desserts, and beverages. Yeah, this is the complete menu book nila dito sa Hotel Sogo.
Look at what we offer. We have crab sandwich, bento, dessert, noodles, soup, and appetizers.
That's me and Sir Iko of Hotel Sogo for the contract signing of our partnership. Thank you very much, po. And this is a picture taking with my co-influencers of Hotel Sogo. Let's go!
So big, so good, so safe!
Hey guys, so we're checking out now sa
Hotel Sogo Davao.
So thank you very much for inviting me and for being part of your ambassadors. So if you want to get some freebies, guys, any branches in Sogo, go ahead and text HSVIP space Joric and send to 225687. Let's go! See you in the next adventure.